Baby didn't cook again. Okay. You just like to cook too. Ooh. This is what, babe? This is shrimp, cheese.
It's shrimp,
mushrooms,
onions. So I sauteed the onions first with the sun-dried tomatoes and the garlic.
Oh.
And then I put it all together with the shrimp. So before I knew, he ain't do shit. This ain't the way it's supposed to be. You ain't never met a nigga like you. And when the world lied to me, you still told me the truth. You gotta be ready to lose it.
Alright, let's try this. My baby can cook. My baby can cook. Okay, this shit is good. You better find you somebody to know how to cook too. This is good. Well, shrimp. I have so much flavor. Like, it's so much flavor. Like, it's just like the right thing that you need. That's how I feel. Y'all really need to try these out. These are so good. Real veggies. To me, they're good. But try them out. Try them out. And see how you like them. And let me know in the comments below.
I am the creator of my life, my reality. I am the architect of my future, my destiny. I am the designer of my circumstances.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm gonna eat today, because I've been eating kind of like sporadically, you know, and I don't want to do that. So we're gonna do this for breakfast. I grabbed me another one of these because I liked it so much. I'm gonna eat this for lunch, okay, and then we're gonna. He actually left this by accident, so we're gonna eat this for dinner. And we're gonna try to stick to that, okay? Because your girl gotta lose some pounds, okay? I've been gaining, okay? I think I've been like stressed a little bit, but I'm gonna try to stick to this, and hopefully it works, okay? So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, so we're gonna get that. And just chit-chat for a little bit. Gotta get this little tray out of here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yeah. Okay, so I know I had put in one of my videos that I will tell you about the t-shirt. So the t-shirt, the reason why that is, and it's probably just irrelevant, but no, I was not born in 1985. I was born in 1987. So your girl pushing it, okay? So the shirt basically came about was because me and my spouse, were doing me and my spouse were doing YouTube. We were doing reaction videos and things in that nature. And so we just were buying shirts that, you know, could match each other. Kind of like this one. This is one of the ones. And so we just was buying shirts so that we could just match for our reaction channel, which is Brandon and Shante Reaction. If you want to see a little bit more of your girl that you ain't seen that side of her yet. But we had bought them for that. We had bought a whole bunch of shirts for that. So, yeah, I'm not born in 1985. I was born in 87. So your girl just had a birthday. So that makes me 39. Lord. Lord, I'm getting old. But I guess the beauty of about getting older is that you have to realize is that you're still here. You know, you're still here to live another day and to continue to keep fighting each and every day for your goals and your dreams and everything. And when life gives you lemons, you got to make lemonade, okay? And that's my whole perspective about it. Okay? So, on this journey, it should be like new changes, new different things. Come up with different ideas. I want to know you guys' opinion on things that we should do, should we tackle, things that you want to see, everything like that. 39, it's going to be 39 and 5, and 39, get on your grind and make it work, okay? You know, but yeah, this is pretty good. So if you go to Walmart and you get this, pretty good. Because sometimes I was thinking like, because I did buy a whole bunch of yogurt. I bought a whole bunch of yogurt and stuff like that, which I've been eating it a little bit, but this makes it so much easier for me. Which I did buy the other chips, so I'm probably gonna use not the other chips, the granola stuff. So I think I'm gonna, you know, probably make my own. But this is kind of easier to just open it up, pour it, and do that. So yeah. So today I'm tackling finishing my birthday vlog, finishing my nail vlog, either today or tomorrow. I'm gonna wash my wigs, my 2 wigs or whatever, cause girl, they need to be maintained and washed, honey. Cause I just gotta putting products and stuff on it, and you know, if you can notice, I'm trying to go a little bit 427 on you, okay? Actually, Brandon said he liked that color on me, so I was like, okay, girl, let me do this. My man said he like it, girl, so it's like, okay, girl, I'm gonna do it, you know? I might switch it up every now and then, but that's probably gonna be my color to go to, type of color and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish this up, and then I gotta get back to work, honey, because time waits for no one, okay? Have a great day. Okay, so this is my avocado and toast. So I'm gonna be adding this egg onto here. onto here on the top. Give me a second. Alright. So then we're gonna do bacon and bacon. And that's breakfast, y'all. That's my breakfast. And then I'm thinking about doing avocado and remember the potato chips that I had in the last vlog, which is the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna do that for lunch, and I still gotta figure out dinner. Okay, so today we're gonna be washing this wig as well as the wig I wore for my birthday, just to get all the chemicals and stuff out of that wig. So let's go. Right, so I'm just gonna let them soak for a little bit, and then I'll come back, and then I'm gonna, fully wash them out and get them all clean. But I'm just gonna let them soak for a little bit, and we'll come back. All right, so we gave this enough time to rest. See that? to get ready to go to the post office. I gotta take that back, which is some shoes and stuff that Brennan had, and because he had got 2 of them, but he didn't want neither one of them, and some nails I got extra of, so we're taking that back. So yeah, let's get ready. So I'm basically waiting to pick up my package at the moment. Alright, we're about to go. Alright, so we got that taken care of. We got a package. And I want to show y'all, but I don't want to show y'all because it has something to do with what I'm about to do. Let me see. I want to get in this thing. I'll give y'all a little clue as to what's it is. Oh, it's so hot out there. You know it's summer is. I'm like, oh my Lord, it's hot. Okay, let's see. That might not even be a clue. So, this would be the clue. Crayfish. Grounds. So that's all I'm gonna give you. So yeah. Okay. So also we are having a problem, a dilemma. The dilemma is that my refrigerator, let's see, discharge. So my refrigerator is basically the plug in the back is actually, I think the refrigerator plug is triggering the plug in the back because I plug in my can opener and I hit the reset switch and everything like that to see if it will work. And it'll work with the can opener, but as soon as I plug in that refrigerator, it'll go off. Like the maintenance man came out here to do the tester, and it worked for him, you know. Then all of a sudden, it turns back off. So I'm not sure what's going on, but what I can show you is this. So the card is plugged up from here to here because this plug doesn't have this on it. The tester reset thing, it doesn't have that on it. So that's the only reason why it worked from there. But in the meantime, in between time, your girl done messed up her flow. Okay, so I tried to drag that refrigerator out, and this is what ended up happening. It's a bigger piece down here that's underneath here that messed up as well. And so, yeah, I think I'm gonna see if I could put some of this down there. Clear Gorilla Glue holder for the time being. Just to see if it holds. But yeah, that's the dilemma that we got going on right now, as of today. So, cause like I was basically like, I went to the refrigerator and I was like, okay, my light is off in here. I'm thinking, what do you think? Like, oh, the light bulb, it went dead. Okay, so I got to like, you know, the next day I wake up and I'm like, dang, my food is like moist, sweating like. And I'm like, dang, what's wrong? You know, everything still frozen, still cold and stuff like that. And then I'm like, damn, the refrigerator is off. So then I get this, you know, doing my Inspector Gadget stuff. I'm like, okay, well, the refrigerator off, the lights off. You know, let me test it out and see, let me unplug it and see what's going on, or try to put it inside of the plug over here. You know, so I'm trying the plug in the back, and it's switching and it's greening and everything like that. But the refrigerator is not working. It's just not working. So I don't know if it's like I don't know if the refrigerator is. It doesn't make sense. It really doesn't make sense because it's like, oh God, it doesn't make sense because it's like the plug works, but it just won't let the refrigerator work. So I don't know. And I switched the breaker box thing in for the refrigerator, and it still don't work. Cause I'm gonna try to fix it before I call them and see what's going on. Cause I don't want them to just be coming out here for nothing. And I thought yesterday he came out here for nothing. He actually took it the day that he had off to actually come fix the refrigerator, but it tripped again. So I don't know. It's like the plug is working, but the refrigerator won't do nothing when it's plugged up over there. So that's the dilemma for today. And then what else we got going on? I finished washing the hair and everything like that. I'm letting it dry. It's kind of on the counter, so it's still drying and stuff like that. This is one of the wigs. So we just letting it dry and stuff like that. I probably need to hang it up or something. I don't know. But I'm just letting it dry. So, yeah. Both of them. So, yeah, we kind of got to our task and stuff. I still do need to get to planting. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know when I'm going to get to it, but we're going to get to it. Because I need to start that. So that's on the agenda. But that's all. That's all really I got for right now. That's about it. So yeah, talk to you later. Give me a second. Alright. So my allergies is acting up and everything like that. So alright. So you've seen that I did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the refrigerator out. You can see that you see this. This is out. I ain't touched nothing, did nothing with it. Okay? So I'm gonna pull this out. Okay. I need to press the reset button on here. Okay. Press it. Alright. Did that. That's not working. Press it. It's working now. Right? What's that? So then I put this in here because that's working, right? Unplug this. Put this in. That. Now it's working. Right? Now it clicked off. Now it's not working. You don't see the light. Here. Okay. I don't know if it's green or it's not. It's green. It was green. I put it in here. It's on now. So it's on right. It just clicked. Refrigerator not on. It's on. Just click again. It turned off. Do you believe me now? Okay, so I went ahead and put a new fridge in here. I'm totally loving this. It's so cool because it's got like these little like humidity control things on it and stuff. With all this, I like it. This is the inside of the freezer. The only thing is the door is the opposite way. So that's it. So, and I guess the top has its own and the bottom has its own. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out and etc. And then yeah, I like it though. I really do. We still have the power issue problem because I told him it was the plug, not the refrigerator. But hey, get a new refrigerator, I'm fine with it. Okay, a new freezer, I'm fine. Okay, they're supposed to come back to set up the ice maker, which I don't see where it would go, but yeah. So there you have it.
I am the author of my story. Yeah. I rise because I decide to rise. I elevate because I move intentionally. Every day I win because I never stop creating.